right, my friends, what city do we live in? Chicago. What state do we live in? Illinois. And Illinois is not only the land of Lincoln, it is also the Prairie State. So let's talk about this beautiful winter prairie. Now, at first it might not look like a lot is going on, but this winter prairie has so many important, necessary functions in the winter. First, it provides a lot of animals a place to go for protection from predators. So let's say there's a hawk or an owl in the forest that's looking for prey to eat. Squirrels and mice can hang out in this prairie not only for protection from predators, but also for warmth. And they might be able to find some seeds that could help them survive the winter. This prairie also provides plant mass that helps insulate the ground, keep it warm and hold in the moisture so that these prairie plants can regrow, because their point of growth is underneath the ground where all of their roots are. So this actually protects the ground. Not only that, can you agree with me that this is just beautiful? Sometimes we don't have to look at nature and think, what are the benefits? What are the value? What does it mean to me? We can just look at it and take it in for the beauty that it is. After all, we are living in the Prairie State.